My video is about the website that is displaying frustrating messages. This website is Fossilsafety.store. This is a misleading website and misleading pop-up that tries to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Fossilsafety.store, don't ever interact with them. Don't trust anything that these pop-ups tell you. They claim to be somehow related to the well-known security programs, but they are not related to those programs. As I said, these pop-ups try to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Don't interact with them. I recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may obtain its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.